real fast. 2 on top and 2 below. I'm asking the group in the back to throw the screen for you really fast. And I'll show you what I think of as momentum. Why people who succeed get great momentum. I call it the success side. Top left-hand corner is the word potential. Top right-hand corner is the word action. Down bottom right is results. Bottom left is belief. Now in the world we're in today, most of you are taking a picture, so let's go ahead and put arrows between those. So you see that there's a cycle that they go through. They lead into each other quickly, all the way through. Keep going, whoever's running in the back, please. So all human beings have what level of potential? What's the level of potential of anybody in this room to earn what they want to earn, enjoy what they want to enjoy? What's your level of potential? What do you think it is? What is it? Unlimited. But most people's lives don't reflect their true potential, do they? Why? Because most people don't take enough, what would you say?
Action.
But you know what? If you think you have limited potential, you got a story that says I can only do so much, then even if you do take a lot of action, you'll do it from a state of mind that has limitation. You walk up to people like this and go, you wouldn't want to join the Senate, would you? You got great stuff. Now, if you do that to enough people, some people feel sorry for you and join in spite of you. But the truth of the matter is, you can take lots of action. If you're in the wrong state, it's not going to work. How many would agree with me here? Say aye. It's not enough to do the right things. You have to do the right things in the right state. So you might say, well then, what's the problem? It's not a problem with potential. There might be some problem with action. But I would submit to you the problem is your belief, your story, or your certainty. When you look at somebody who's the best in the world at something, they carry themselves, they move, they walk, they communicate with certainty. People respond to certainty, not uncertainty. When you brand new, sometimes you have an uncertainty. Brand new people succeed, they have tons of certainty, they have belief, they know this has changed their life, they know the value of what this is. And so what's interesting is, the real challenge has nothing to do with action really, it's that people need that more certainty. But how do you do that when you're new? Or how do you do that when you've been around a while and you lost your edge? How do you do that if you've disappointed yourself? You have to use the ability to reprogram your body. I'm going to show you what I mean. Stand up for a moment, real fast. Stand up, put your feet together like this, straight ahead. Hold your feet together. I want you to take your right index finger, point straight in front of you. Without moving your feet stay straight ahead. When I say now, I want you to turn comfortably, just notice where you stop. You turn clockwise, keep the feet straight, go ahead, turn comfortably, notice where you stop. Okay, come back around, back to the front. Take your finger out of your neighbor's ear. Drop your hand. Now, most of you know that all the great athletes train their minds as much as their body. There have been numerous studies, people in basketball, where one group practices every day a certain amount of time, one group doesn't practice at all, one group practices in their mind. I'm sure you've now seen the one that practices in their mind are the ones that win always. They get better. Why? Because they have perfect